Okay, hi. Okay, everyone. This is new gloves from Royce. At that time of point I bought it, it was new. So I wanted to know. I'm quite curious about gloves. So Royce came out with free gel control. Okay, free gel. This is the MX version. Okay, this is the MX2 version. There's two variants to it. One is the free gel S1. S1 is the it's the what you call it? It's a lower grade of latex. But so I bought the free gel MX latex because we see that Hugo Lloris made a switch to Royce, and he chose this glove. When he was in Ulsport, he had his own personal glove. That means he designed his own glove. He loves flat palm. It's been documented that he loves flat palm, so his gloves are flat palm. The one that he has made for him is flat palm as well, but that one for that glove, the palm is not MX latex, it's not S1 latex. They are using the G3 Fusion latex instead of using the MX2 or G2 or G3. His was different, and his glove is not available for retail. That is what pissed me off. So I don't know why Royce made it. I think he made it. They made it exclusively only for him, to his specification. Okay. So it's more of an SMU compared to the one that I have right now. SMU is like, specially made unit. So these are not SMUs. So this is bought off the store. I bought it off ProKeeper line for €70, including shipping to Singapore. Okay. Sorry, I focus first. Okay, alright. So what's so great about this glove is it looks really nice because it's like a triple black kind of tone. There are similar gloves to this, which has almost triple black, like the Puma One grip. I think they call it Puma One grip. That has a similar texture to this, very similar texture to this. It's a rubberized punch zone. Everything, as you can see, is all rubberized. Even the word Royce, okay, even the word Royce. If we there's a bit of reflection. You hit the light a bit, and it will come out. See, yeah. So it start to look like an advertisement by itself. So, it's a very good looking glove. Okay, it's a very good looking glove for those who loves black glove. This is maybe your kind of thing, but it's black gloves. For me, I have mixed reviews on black gloves. So for me, it's like I take care of my things. So why should I wear black? So I want to show how clean my palm is. So those who are just like being plain lazy, so and loves black gloves for whatever reason it is, I won't judge. Okay, this is the glove for you. Okay, one more thing I was interested is about the new MX latex. Okay, this is the MX latex. Okay, it's called the Mega Grip. Okay, I think Royce did came out with Mega Grip many years back. That was, I think, 6-8 years back. Royce Dida used to wear it. I don't know which, but it's also a Mega Grip latex. Okay, the technical term for it is what the technical specification of it? Very soft palm foam featuring professional grip properties in dry and wet condition, as well as high durability. Okay, so we see the rating, and on the sun it's 10. Okay, if it's wet, it's like 6 plus 6. Okay, abrasion 7. Okay, it is abrasion. Sorry, 7 is cushioning. So that means it's not thick glove. Okay, it's not such a thick glove. So the cushioning is around 7. 7 is actually quite decent for me. Okay, there you go. Grip in dry condition, grip in wet condition, cushioning, abrasion resistance. Okay, so enough about it. Enough about all the technical spec about it. Okay, this strap is definitely reverse. Like Puma like to do reverse strap. Usually the strap is on this side, the Velcro is on this side, but this one the Velcro on the other side. So it's a bit weird lah, but it works lah. Okay, quite easy to wear on. Okay, they use elastic entry. Okay, this is elastic. So okay, this is elastic entry. Okay, and the strap is like, I think like 3.5 mm. Yeah, the length is, I think, 3.5 cm, 4 cm. Yeah, this standard wrist closure, 4 cm on the strap. Okay, there's a pull tab with it. Okay, pull tab, a Reusch pull tab. Okay, there's a bit of texture, the added texture to it. Okay, the backhand is just a simple backhand. It doesn't have any paddings on the back. Okay, very slight. I think maybe also 1 mm inside of it. So the punch zone is rubberized. Okay, it gives you a very good texture of it. Okay, and it's MX latex, so okay, we can hear not really tacky, but it's really soft. This glove is very soft, very soft. So my concern about soft gloves is they are definitely grippy, without doubt. But you take away some, as in, I'm definite that this glove is prone to abrasion. I don't think the number 8 down here, they rate it as 7, 8. They rate it as 8. I don't think it will last that long. I don't think so. Okay, definite. Because it's quite a soft glove. So my experience with soft gloves is their lifespan is much more shorter than we expect. Okay. About the glove is it's negatively stitched on the thumb. There's no wrap over at all. Okay, so your thumbs still move freely inside. Okay, it still move freely inside. The cut for this is, they call it the evolution cut. Okay, evolution cut. So similar to a gecko cut. Gecko cut, whereby the fingers are slimmer on the tall man. Okay, on the tall man it's like slimmer. Okay, it slims down. Gussets, they're using rubber gussets, and yeah, they never put hole on it. So it's going to be quite warm. Okay, there's no serious ventilation on this glove, so it will be an issue if we are in Southeast Asia. Black gloves, day sun, it's going to be very hot. Okay, I wish that they just poke maybe 2 holes on it so that there's ventilation on the glove. There's none. Okay, you see, there's none. No ventilation at all. Okay, so it's pretty warm. This glove is pretty warm. But no doubt, some people, they go for aesthetic. They don't mind of all this ergonomics. For me, I look at ergonomics. This glove doesn't have that ergonomic. And for 65 euro, 70 euro, for 70 euro with shipping, I think I can get better gloves than this. I want better gloves at this price point. Sorry, Reusch, this model is not really great. It's not really great. You've done better gloves before, Reusch. A bit disappointed with this glove because of due to the fact that construction material is bad. See, it wilts. Okay, it's a minimal glove. I understand that it's a minimal glove, but if you're using breathing meshes, things like that, I don't think it's a letdown. It's a bit of a letdown for me. Because at this price point, I can get better gloves at this price point. Something that I'm more comfortable with compared to Reusch Freegel. So my take on it is, if you really like black gloves, you buy it. But if you like think of the price, I've worn better gloves at this price point. definitely you can find better gloves at 70 euro, which is 105 Singapore dollars with shipping. There are definitely better gloves. I don't want to mention names, but there are definitely better gloves. But I'm quite disappointed with this glove actually. I think it's a bit of a waste of my money, but never mind, it's okay. If I don't buy, people won't know. Okay, my whole idea is to educate, not to make money. I do this for free. Everything is free. Everything is I buy on my own. So my purpose is to educate, not to be glamorous, have more views, I don't care about all that. For me, to be honest is the most important thing in life. Okay, so this is my take on the Reusch free gel. I buy this, not free,